The Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) celebrated its 150th anniversary today. To mark the occasion, the Meteorological Center Shillong opened its doors to the public, offering insights into IMD's operations and equipment. IMD Chief in Shillong, Thangjalal Lauvamp, highlighted ongoing infrastructure improvements in Meghalaya and the introduction of impact-based weather forecasts, enabling more accurate predictions of weather effects.
IMD is at the forefront of weather services, and in the past few years has already started impact-based forecast services. And also nowcasting services. Nowcast services is even for the next 3 hours, and based on the next 3 hours, what will be the weather. So we are moving away from what will be the weather to what the weather will do. So there comes the impact-based forecast.
Joy MLA and Muda Chairman